It's a great honor to address you at the conclusion of what clearly been a vibrant and forward-looking workshop with energy, ideas, and shared dreams. Over the past 2 days, I understand this platform has brought together dynamic young changemakers from across Bangladesh and across Commonwealth. You came not just to listen, but to contribute, challenge, and co-create a vision of democratic, inclusive, and resilient Bangladesh and a stronger Commonwealth. The Commonwealth Charter is not merely a declaration, it's a moral compass that binds us across borders. As advisor to the Ministry of Law, Justice, and Parliamentary Affairs, I assure you that its values are deeply interwoven with our current reform efforts. Over the past 10 months, under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Advisor, Nobel laureate Dr. Mohammad Yunus, our ministry has undertaken bold reform aligned with the Charter's core values. I'll give you some example. We amended, some of you are law students, so you can well understand the meaning of these reforms during arrest and interrogation. This law will pass very soon. We advance full digitalization of the judiciary to ensure transparency and efficiency. The work is not still done, but we have actually started the process and wish to make a significant contribution to digitalization in next 6 months. We amended laws on gender-based violence for time-bound justice and introduced digital marriage and divorce registration, ensuring gender equality. We reformed judicial appointments in the higher judiciary, enshrining transparency and merit-based appointment through the Supreme Judicial Council. We have also revised the Cyber Protection Ordinance to uphold freedom of expression. You know, one of the most hated and criticized legislation in Bangladesh was the Cyber Security Act. And we have made an amendment through a very intense consultative process, and we have made 23 drafts of those amendments during the process of finalizing it. And it was a great surprise for me when I met people from Amnesty. Even people from Amnesty, they admitted that this law is not a very bad law. So when you hear from Amnesty people that it's not a very bad law, that means it's a good law. And if you compare the cybersecurity law, what we have done to the past versions, definitely we made significant advancements in terms of securing people's rights and helping them from the operation of state machineries. These are not isolated changes. Together, they reflect our commitment to the rule of law, good governance, judicial independence, and human dignity, values that echo the very spirit of the Commonwealth Charter. Dear delegates, this workshop has reaffirmed a powerful truth. The Commonwealth Charter will endure only if it lives within you. Youths are not just the leader of tomorrow, you are the change maker of today. And Bangladesh is the best place which has actually proved that thing in recent past. Consider the July-August uprising not merely a political event, but a moral awakening. It was youth who led that change. Your courage, your unity, your moral clarity were a resounding testament to your commitment to democracy, justice, and accountability. In line with the Charter's call to involve youth in public life, your activism has already left an imprint on national reform. From the streets to policy-making space, you have shown that your role is not passive, it is pivotal. Our responsibility now is to open more doors, offer more platforms, and provide the resources to help you lead the change you have already begun. Dear young participants, I am particularly encouraged by the pragmatic and innovative policy proposal emerging from this workshop. We will work to translate them into legislation, policy, and sustained dialogue. We renew our pledge to strengthen democratic institutions, promote legal empowerment of youth, ensure access to justice for all, and embed Commonwealth values across all levels of reform. In closing, I extend heartfelt thanks to the Commonwealth Secretariat, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and to each facilitator, speaker, and participant for your insight, your energy, and your vision. Bangladesh needs you, the Commonwealth believes in you, and I, standing here today, am inspired by you. I really mean it.